Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500, comes equipped with a strong 7.4L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 149,000 original miles and features a blue exterior with a gray interior. This 2WD truck was originally purchased in California and has been well maintained over the years. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump and filter, along with a new battery. The truck also has updated tags valid through 2027. It sits on a good set of tires with plenty of tread remaining and features custom exhaust work for an improved sound and driving experience. The aftermarket headlight housings give the front end a cleaner appearance and can easily be upgraded to LED lighting. The body shows some minor dents consistent with age, but overall the truck remains solid and dependable. The AC system is functional, although it currently does not blow cold air.
Number 2.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, solid extended cab pickup powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 engine that delivers an impressive 200 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque.
Showing 173,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered truck is equipped with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission that provides comfortable cruising and easy everyday driving. Its 4WD drivetrain offers excellent traction and stability, making it well suited for highway travel, work duties, towing, or off-road adventures in a variety of conditions. Finished in a classic green exterior, the truck carries the timeless styling that made these Chevrolet pickups so popular throughout the 1990s. The spacious extended cab design provides additional room for passengers or extra storage, adding to its practicality and versatility. Number 3.
1986 Ford F-150, price $10,000, clean classic pickup finished in a tan exterior and paired with an automatic transmission for comfortable cruising. The truck shows 132,000 miles on the body, while the upgraded 347-stroker engine has only around 2,000 miles since being installed. It runs strong, starts easily, and delivers excellent performance both around town and on the highway. The truck has been well cared for and remains in very clean condition inside and out. Its combination of classic Ford styling, reliable automatic transmission, and freshly built powertrain makes it a solid option for anyone looking for a dependable vintage pickup with upgraded performance. With the low mileage on the engine and the overall clean appearance, this F-150 stands out as a well-maintained classic that is ready to be enjoyed.
Number 4.
2000 Mazda B4000, price $5,100, equipped with a dependable 4.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 203,000 miles on the odometer. This gasoline-powered 4x4 pickup features 4 doors, making it a practical choice for both work and everyday driving. Finished in red with a gray interior, the truck has a clean and classic appearance that still presents very well for its age. The engine and transmission are both working perfectly, and the truck is ready for the highway, mountain roads, or city driving without hesitation. It comes with brand new tires, cold air conditioning, and a fully functioning heater, adding to its comfort and reliability. The paint and interior remain in very decent condition, showing normal wear but still looking well cared for overall. This B4000 also comes with a clean Colorado title in hand, making it a solid and dependable 4x4 pickup that is ready for its next owner.
Number 5.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,300, equipped with a strong-running 5.7L V8 engine backed by an automatic transmission and has 179,000 miles on the odometer. This 2WD pickup is finished in a green exterior with a clean beige interior and is powered by a dependable gasoline engine. According to the owner, the truck runs and drives great, making it a solid daily driver or weekend cruiser. The air conditioning blows cold, adding to the overall comfort of the ride, and the body is reported to have no deep rust. While the truck is not perfect and does show some minor flaws consistent with its age, it still presents itself as a reliable and enjoyable classic Chevy pickup. The owner mentions that despite a few imperfections here and there, it is a truck they would confidently drive anywhere.
Number 6.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,750. The truck is equipped with a reliable and powerful 5.9L V8 OHV16V fuel-injected engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission. With 169,000 miles on the odometer, this truck continues to run and drive great, showing the durability these classic Dodge pickups are known for. Powered by gasoline, it delivers strong performance while maintaining the classic feel of a late 90s full-size truck. Finished in a sharp black exterior with a clean black and gray interior, this 4-door Ram has an eye-catching appearance both inside and out. The paint remains in nice condition, and the interior has been very well kept for its age, showing care from previous ownership. The truck also comes with great wheels and tires that complement its aggressive stance and overall look.
Number 7.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,750, powered by a 5.7L V8 with port injection rather than TBI, paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. It has 245,000 miles and runs on gasoline, featuring a red exterior with a gray interior. The truck sits on nearly brand new 33-inch tires and remains exceptionally solid with zero rust underneath. The previous owner invested around $4,000 into the truck, including a brand new AC compressor installed last summer. The heater works extremely well, and the truck also comes equipped with a Bluetooth head unit. The 4L60 transmission shifts very smoothly without hanging in any gear, even under wide open throttle. The only notable issue is a failing catalytic converter on the driver's side, although it may still pass emissions testing.
Cosmetically, the truck has some hail dents and an average paint job. Number 8.
1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,895. This truck is powered by the reliable 5.9 Magnum engine paired with an automatic transmission and has only 180,000 miles, which is considered low mileage for a truck of this year. Finished in a clean blue exterior with a tan interior, this 4x4 pickup runs and drives great with plenty of power and smooth shifting performance. The body is extremely straight and presents very well overall, showing that the truck has been well cared for over the years. It sits on a great set of tires and is ready to hit the road immediately. The ice-cold AC keeps the cabin comfortable, making it an excellent option for daily driving, weekend cruising, or anyone looking for a solid classic Dodge truck with strong mechanical condition and great overall appearance.
Number 9.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $2,995. The truck is powered by a dependable 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a classic driving experience and great reliability. This truck runs and drives very well, with smooth performance both around town and on the highway. It features the original factory stereo, adding to its classic and untouched feel. The extended cab provides extra room for passengers, tools, or storage, making it practical for everyday use or light work duties. It also comes with a good set of tires that are ready for the road. With only 250,000 miles, this Ranger has been well cared for and remains a solid, dependable pickup with plenty of life left in it.
Number 10.
1969 GMC Sierra 2500, price $5,800, powered by a strong 396 big block engine paired with a reliable 3-speed automatic transmission. With 124,000 miles on the odometer, this classic gasoline-powered truck still delivers the old-school performance and character that vintage GMC trucks are known for. It features a burgundy exterior matched with a burgundy interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance that fits its era perfectly. This truck retains all matching numbers, making it an appealing option for classic truck enthusiasts and collectors alike. Despite sitting for a few years, it still runs and drives fine and starts right up without hesitation. A tow is recommended for transport due to the time it has been sitting. The body does show some rust, which is expected for a truck of this age.